Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're returning, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be making homemade McGriddles. Okay, so yes, I'm using a box pancake mix, so I just added some water and I'm just going to mix it up really good. Okay, so you want to make sure the mix is a little thick. You don't want it watery. So I put butter in the pan. Now I'm just going to pour the mix in the pan. So you want to make like circle-shaped pancakes. Not too big, not too small. Okay, so now you want to add some syrup inside the mix to make it a little sweet. Give it that sweet griddle taste. Okay, so now it's time to flip them over and let them cook on the other side. Okay, for the second griddle, I decided not to put syrup inside the mix. So of course these are going to come out really good because they're homemade. They're going to be better than McDonald's in my opinion. Okay, so now it's time to make the sausage. So I added some olive oil in the pan, added the sausages in. Okay, so you want to cook them until they get a little golden brown. Just like this is perfect. Now it's time to take them out, put them on a plate, and put that to the side. Then it's going to be time to start on the eggs. Okay, so I decided to keep the grease from the sausage. I put the egg in. I'm making sure it's circle shaped. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit the subscribe button to show support. Okay, so now it's time to season the eggs. So I'm using adobo. Then I'm going to use some garlic powder. Now I'm going to add some black pepper. Okay, so now it's time to flip the eggs over so they can cook on the other side. Okay, so now it's time to assemble the McGriddle. So I added some cheese on top of the pancake. Now I'm adding the egg and I'm adding 3 sausages on top. Now I'm gonna add the other pancake on top and then I'm gonna be adding some syrup. Oh my god, y'all, don't this look so good? It smells so good right about now. So this is how they came out. Don't that look good, y'all? Make sure to drop a comment and subscribe.